So I want to make a quick video about how to remove this axle and how to get that angle gear out of there. So axle comes out pretty easily. Mine was loose actually, so it popped right out as soon as you get the that ball joint out, which wasn't too hard at all. Yeah, there was not enough room, so you got to push down on the control arm and then push up with something on this. I actually used my tire. I kind of just laid it down, dropped the jack a little bit, and that ball joint came straight out. So that's not a big deal. Axle comes out fairly easy as well. You have to take out, I'll show you this piece is just 2/13s on there. Get some penetrating fluid and it'll come right out. All right, let's go underneath. I want to show you what's going on in there. All right, so this is the part where that little other part comes out of that holds the actual axle. So you're gonna unscrew it from there and it'll literally just drop right out. Mine just dropped straight out, so it wasn't too big of a deal. Then these are the bolts you got to remove right here. There's 5 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's a 4 back there, and there's 1 straight on top. You can get to it. Just be patient. It is possible. Trust me. I took it out, and it just you've got to put the wrench like in there, literally right through there. Mine's not that big at all, so it fits in pretty good places. I'll show you. Oh, sorry. So this is it. It's a short one. You want to use the short bolts for it, and it literally just comes right on, and it comes really easy. I thought I had to put a lot of penetrating fluid in, but no, they're coming out very, very easily. Some videos showed that you're supposed to take off the exhaust, and you know what? Thank God I didn't, because mine's all rusted. So here's the rusted exhaust, and so it kind of fell off by itself. But you can get to the bolts, sorry for the darkness, quite easily actually from here. So they all come out. They're 8 millimeter hex keys. They're not on there very tight, but to pop this prop shaft off, there's a little guide. Let's see, get some light on there. Hold on. Can't really see it. Darn it. Maybe like this. Sorry. This is not a professional cameraman. There we go. So there's a little guide right there where you have to stick a pin in and it'll pop the prop shaft off. So that's fairly easy. But yeah, these bolts came off pretty easy. The kit that you buy comes with these bolts, so you can throw these out or do whatever with them, but you don't have to reuse them. Yeah, the one on top of there is challenging. This one right there is challenging as well. Right there, there's a bolt there. But you can get to it, just, you know, patience. Like I said, the axle came off fairly easily. This is actually much easier than expected. Some people go from the top side for that bolt too, so they take out that heat shield over there, that kind of good stuff. I think it's too much work. There's no point to do that. I started actually doing that, but there's no point to do it. Everything's accessible from the bottom here, and it comes straight out. Like, look, these bolts just unscrew themselves. They're really, once you pop it, it comes right out, and it doesn't really take that much force to actually get them off. I think my transfer unit is going to be pretty much garbage just by the looks of it. I was really hoping it's just a sleeve, but I mean, this thing looks like it blew a bunch of seals. So once I open her up, I'll post another video. But yeah, this is actually easier than I thought. It's just very intimidating when you really get to it, when you start doing it. So buy yourself a bottle of penetrating fluid, and then yeah, go at it. Good luck.